Hello and welcome to CryptoBot Profits. Today we will talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency, Ether. Ethereum works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies, as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. Ethereum was first described in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, along with other co-founders, secured funding for the project in an online public crowd sale in the summer of 2014. The project team managed to raise $18.3 million in Bitcoin, and Ethereum's price in the initial coin offering, ICO, was $0.311, with over 60 million Ether sold. Taking Ethereum's price now puts the return on investment ROI at an annualized rate of over 270%, essentially almost quadrupling your investment every year since the summer of 2014. Ethereum's own purported goal is to become a global platform for decentralized applications, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime, and fraud. So let's have a look into Ethereum. Who are the founders of Ethereum? Ethereum has a total of 8 co-founders, an unusually large number for a crypto project. They first met in Switzerland. Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is perhaps the best known of the bunch. He authored the original white paper that first described Ethereum in 2013 and still works on improving the platform to this day. Prior to Ethereum, Buterin co-founded and wrote for the Bitcoin magazine news website. British programmer Gavin Wood is arguably the second most important co-founder of Ethereum, as he coded the first technical implementation of Ethereum in the C programming language, proposed Ethereum's native programming language Solidity, and was the first chief technology officer of the Ethereum Foundation. And before Ethereum, Wood was a research scientist at Microsoft. Afterward, he moved on to establish the Web3 Foundation. Among the other co-founders of Ethereum are Anthony D'Iorio, who underwrote the project during its early stage of development; Charles Hoskinson, who played the principal role in establishing the Swiss-based Ethereum Foundation and its legal framework; Mihai Alesi, who provided assistance in establishing the Ethereum Foundation; Joseph Lubin, a Canadian entrepreneur who, like D'Iorio, has helped fund Ethereum during its early days, and later founded an incubator for startups based on Ethereum called Consensus; Amir Chetrit, who helped co-found Ethereum but stepped away from it early into the development. So, what makes Ethereum unique? Ethereum has pioneered the concept of a blockchain smart contract platform. Smart contracts are computer programs that automatically execute the actions necessary to fulfill an agreement between several parties on the internet. They were designed to reduce the need for trusted intermediates between contractors, thus reducing transaction costs while also increasing transaction reliability. Ethereum's principal innovation was designing a platform that allowed it to execute smart contracts using the blockchain, which further reinforces the already existing benefits of smart contract technology. Ethereum's blockchain was designed, according to co-founder Gavin Wood, as a sort of one computer for the entire planet, theoretically able to make any program more robust, censorship-resistant, and less prone to fraud by running it on a globally distributed network of public nodes. In addition to smart contracts, Ethereum's blockchain is able to host other cryptocurrencies, called tokens, through the use of its ERC-20 compatibility standard. In fact, this has been the most common use for the Ethereum platform so far. To date, more than 280,000 ERC-20 compliant tokens have been launched. Over 40 of these make the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, for example, USDT, Link, and BNB. Since the emergence of play-to-earn games, there has been a substantial increase in interest in the Ethereum to PHP price. Ethereum London hard fork. The Ethereum network has been plagued with high transaction fees, often buckling at seasons of high demand. In May 2021, the average transaction fee of the network peaked at $71.72. In addition to the high cost of transactions, the leading altcoin also suffers from scalability issues. As already mentioned, there are plans to transition to a proof-of-stake algorithm in order to boost the platform's scalability and add a number of new features. The development team has already begun the transition process to ETH 2.0, implementing some upgrades along the way, including the London hard fork. The future of Ethereum. Ethereum's transition to the proof-of-stake protocol, which enables users to validate transactions and mint new ETH based on their Ether holdings, is part of a major upgrade to the Ethereum platform known as ETH 2. The upgrade also adds capacity to the Ethereum network to support its growth, which helps to address chronic network congestion problems that have driven up gas fees. Ethereum adoption is continuing, including by high-profile enterprises. In 2020, chipmaker Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, announced a joint venture with ConsenSys to create a network of data centers built on the Ethereum platform. Since 2015, Microsoft has had a partnership with ConsenSys to develop Ethereum Blockchain as a Service (EBOS) technology on Microsoft's Azure cloud platform. How can I buy Ethereum? Investors can use one of many cryptocurrency exchange platforms to buy and sell Ether. Ethereum is supported by dedicated crypto exchanges, including Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, and Binance, and by brokerages like Robinhood. How does Ethereum make money? Ethereum is not a centralized organization that makes money. Miners and validators who participate in operating the Ethereum network, usually by mining, earn ETH rewards for their contributions. How is the Ethereum network secured? As of August 2020, Ethereum is secured via the ETH proof-of-work algorithm, belonging to the KEKAK family of hash functions. There are plans, however, to transition the network to a proof-of-stake algorithm tied to the major Ethereum 2.0 update, which launched in late 2020. After the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain, Phase 0, went live at the beginning of December 2020, it became possible to begin staking on the Ethereum 2.0 network. An Ethereum stake is when you deposit ETH. 32 Ethereums is required to activate validator software on Ethereum 2.0 by sending it to a deposit contract, thus helping to secure the network by storing data, processing transactions, and adding new blocks to the blockchain. At the time of writing in mid-September 2021, the Ethereum price for 32 Ether is roughly $116,029. The amount of money earned by Ethereum validators right now is a return of 6% APRA, which equates to around 1.91952 ETH, or $6,960 in Ethereum price today. This number will change as the network develops and the amount of stakers, validators, increase. Ethereum staking rewards are determined by a distribution curve, the participation and average percent of stakers. Some ETH 2.0 staking rewards were at 20% for early stakers, but will be lowered to end up between 7% and 4.5% annually. The minimum requirements for an Ethereum stake are 32 ETH. If you decide to stake in Ethereum 2.0, it means that your Ethereum stake will be locked up on the network for months, if not years, in the future until the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is completed. Thank you for watching. For more news about crypto and trading, remember to visit us on our social media, as well as our blogs here in CryptoBotProfits.com.